Join me as I dive into some unconventional ideas and see if I can get rich by 2026. Get rich in 2026 with new thinking. 1. The new wealth explosion. The new wealth explosion of 2026 isn't just a trend, it is a fundamental shift in how money is created, managed, and moved. We are currently witnessing a perfect storm of demographic shifts and technological revolutions that are making the traditional 9-to-5 wealth model obsolete. Here is a deep dive into the 3 pillars of this explosion. 1. The $84 trillion Great Wealth Transfer. In the United States, we are in the middle of the largest intergenerational transfer of wealth in history. As the baby boomer generation passes down assets, roughly $84 trillion is moving into the hands of millennials and Gen Z. Sideways transfer. A significant portion of this, about $9 trillion, is moving sideways to women's spouses and partners, who are projected to control 40% of global investable wealth by 2030. The velocity of money. Unlike previous generations who favored set and forget savings, the new owners of this wealth are moving it into high velocity, digital assets and ESG focused, environmental, social, and governance investments. 2. The tokenization of everything. 2026 marks the year that asset tokenization moves from crypto experiment to institutional infrastructure. Wealth is no longer locked in massive, illiquid chunks like a $10 million office building or a rare piece of art. Fractional ownership through blockchain. High-value assets are being fractionalized. This means an average investor in 2026 can own $500 worth of a Manhattan skyscraper or a private equity fund that was previously reserved for billionaires. The always-on economy. Wealth in 2026 doesn't wait for the New York Stock Exchange to open. On-chain cash and stablecoins allow for atomic settlement, meaning your money earns yield minute by minute and can be spent or moved instantly 24/7. 3. The rise of agentic wealth. The biggest differentiator in 2026 is the shift from generative AI that writes to agentic AI that acts. In the past, you needed a human wealth manager to rebalance your portfolio or find tax-saving opportunities. Now, AI agents do this autonomously. Asymmetric risk. Individuals are using AI agents to scan thousands of data points to find asymmetric opportunities, investments where the potential upside is 100x the controlled downside, like early stage tech or niche digital commodities. Digital employees. New thinking involves building automated income streams instead of hiring a staff. Entrepreneurs are deploying AI agents to handle customer service, sales, and even code development, allowing for companies of one to generate millions in revenue. The bottom line for 2026. The explosion isn't about more money existing. It's about access and speed. The barriers to the secret club of the wealthy have been hacked by technology. To participate, you must stop thinking of yourself as a worker and start seeing yourself as a capital allocator. 2. Introduction. What is new thinking? In 2026, the term new thinking isn't just about being smart with money. It's a complete rewrite of the mental software we use to build wealth. If old thinking was about working hard, saving 10%, and waiting 40 years, new thinking is about leverage, asymmetry, and agility. Here is the breakdown of what new thinking actually looks like in today's economy. 1. From time wealth to equity wealth. Old thinking assumes that your income is tied to your clock. You work an hour, you get paid for an hour. New thinking realizes that time is a non-renewable resource that doesn't scale. Instead of selling time, new thinkers focus on building or buying equity assets that grow in value independent of their physical presence. This includes digital assets, code, content, and newsletters that sell while you sleep. Fractional stakes, owning slices of businesses or real estate through tokenization. 2. The law of asymmetric risk. In the past, people thought high reward always required high risk. New thinking challenges this. The strategy. You look for asymmetric bets, scenarios where the downside is capped and known, but the upside is uncapped and exponential. Example. Spending $500 and 20 hours to launch a niche AI tool. The downside is losing $500. The upside is a software as a service SaaS business that could generate $10,000 a month or be sold for 6 figures. 3. Company of one mindset. Old thinking says you need a massive team to make massive money. New thinking leverages the 2026 AI stack with agentic AI tools handling your marketing, coding, and scheduling. A single person can now operate with the efficiency of a 10-person agency. This keeps overhead at near zero, meaning almost every dollar earned is pure profit. 4. Financial minimalism as a weapon. New thinking reframes saving from a chore into a strategic reserve. It's not about being cheap. It's about low burn rate equals high risk tolerance. If your lifestyle costs $3,000 a month instead of $8,000, you have the financial runway to quit a dead-end job and pursue a high upside venture. In 2026, freedom is the ultimate leverage. 5. Algorithmic awareness. In 2026, wealth flows toward those who understand how algorithms search, social, and financial move. Old thinking: I'll wait for people to find my business. New thinking: I will position my value where the algorithm is already directing attention, whether it's SEO, TikTok's latest commerce push, or your search results. You must be discoverable by the machines that control the world's attention. The core shift. New thinking is moving from being a participant in the economy, someone who reacts to changes, to being an architect, someone who builds systems that profit from change. 3. The problem. The middle class trap. In 2026, the middle class trap has become more sophisticated and harder to escape than ever before. For decades, the American dream was built on a simple formula: get a degree, find a stable job, buy a home, and invest in a 401k. Today, that formula isn't just outdated, it's a financial dead zone. Here is why most people are stuck, and the invisible obstacles preventing them from achieving true wealth. 1. The inflation lifestyle seesaw. The most dangerous part of the middle class trap is lifestyle creep, paired with hidden inflation. As your salary increases, so does your cost of living. In 2026, essentials like high-speed connectivity, healthcare, and housing have outpaced wage growth. Most Americans find that even with a six-figure salary, they are essentially high-income poor. They have nice things, but zero liquidity. They are one layoff away from disaster. 2. The single-stream failure. Old thinking taught us that a salary is the safest form of income. New thinking recognizes that a salary is actually the riskiest. When you have one employer, they control 100% of your income. If that company pivots to AI automation or faces a market downturn, your safe income drops to zero instantly. The trap is the false sense of security that prevents people from building side equities or diversified portfolios. 3. The education debt anchor. We are seeing a massive ROI crisis in traditional education. Many Americans are entering the workforce in 2026 with debt loads that take 20 years to pay off. This debt acts as a wealth anchor, preventing young professionals from taking the calculated risks like starting a business or investing aggressively that are required to build significant wealth. 4. The taxation of time. The middle class is the most heavily taxed group in America. Why? Because they primarily earn active income W-2 wages. The trap. You are taxed on your gross income before you even touch it. The contrast. The wealthy earn passive or portfolio income, which often benefits from lower tax rates, depreciations, and business write-offs. By staying in the middle class trap, you are essentially choosing to play the game on hard mode, where the government takes the biggest slice of your most limited resource, your time. 5. The psychological barrier. Comfort is the enemy. Perhaps the biggest challenge is psychological. The middle class is often comfortable enough not to take risks, but not comfortable enough to be free. This state of fine is a prison. It breeds a scarcity mindset where you're so afraid of losing what you have that you never reach for what you could actually achieve. The reality check. In 2026, the middle is disappearing. The economy is becoming a barbell. Wealth is flowing to the owners of assets and the masters of technology, while those in the middle are being squeezed by rising costs and automated roles. 4. Innovative wealth strategies. In 2026, the gap between the rich and the rest is no longer about who works harder, it's about who uses better leverage. To break the middle class trap, you need to pivot toward strategies that capitalize on the current tech and economic explosion. Here are the 4 pillars of innovative wealth for 2026. 1. The agentic entrepreneur. Forget hiring a virtual assistant. In 2026, the most successful individuals are using AI agents to run companies of one. The strategy: use autonomous AI agents to handle lead generation, 24/7 customer support, and even basic coding. The goal: build a business with 90% plus profit margins because your employees are software scripts that cost pennies but work like a 10-person team. 2. Tokenized real estate and private credit. The barrier to entry for high-return investments has collapsed. You no longer need $100,000 to enter private markets. The strategy: use blockchain-based platforms to buy fractional shares of institutional-grade real estate or private debt. The goal: earn a 10-15 yield previously reserved for the ultra-wealthy with as little as $500. This turns your dormant cash into an active, yield-generating soldier. 3. Asymmetric AI infrastructure bets. While everyone is using AI, the real wealth is in the infrastructure. The strategy: look beyond big tech stocks. Invest in the picks and shovels of 2026. Utility companies powering data centers, energy grid upgrades, and companies providing the raw materials for AI chips. The goal: capture the growth of the AI revolution without the volatility of individual software companies. 4. Skill arbitrage and the creator asset. Your personal brand is now a bankable asset. The strategy: don't just post content, build a creator ecosystem. A newsletter plus a niche community plus a digital product. The goal: use your specialized knowledge to build a moat. Algorithms in 2026 reward authority and trust over generic clickbait. Once you own the attention, you own the revenue. The 2026 rule: if it can't be scaled by an algorithm or a piece of code, it's not a wealth strategy, it's just a job. 5. The power of financial minimalism. In 2026, the boldest move you can make isn't spending more, it's needing less. Financial minimalism is the secret weapon of the new wealthy. It isn't about deprivation. It's about maximizing your burn rate to risk tolerance ratio. 1. Buying your runway. Most Americans are trapped because their monthly overhead is 90% of their income. Financial minimalism flips this. By slashing non-essential status symbols, you create a financial runway. The math: if you cut your expenses by 30, you haven't just saved money. You've bought yourself the freedom to quit a toxic job or spend 6 months building a high. 2. Assets over ego. The old thinking was to buy the luxury car as soon as the bonus hit. The new thinking of 2026 is to remain invisible. The strategy: live in a modest home and drive a reliable, paid-off vehicle while your digital assets and tokenized investments grow in the background. The result: you become secretly wealthy. You have the liquidity to pounce on market crashes or asymmetric opportunities while your peers are stuck paying off high interest debt for things that are depreciating. 3. My aha moment. A few years ago, I realized I was working 40 hours a week just to pay for a lifestyle I was too tired to enjoy. I decided to downsize everything. I moved to a lower cost area, cut my subscriptions, and stopped upgrading my life every year. That reclaimed $2,000 a month wasn't just savings, it was seed capital. I funneled it into my digital content business. Because my personal costs were so low, I didn't need my business to be an overnight success. That minimalist cushion gave me the patience to build a community that now generates more in a month than I used to make in a year. 4. The freedom multiplier. In 2026, flexibility is the ultimate currency. Financial minimalism lowers your survival threshold, which paradoxically makes you more dangerous in the marketplace. When you don't need the paycheck, you have the power to say no to bad deals and yes to the life-changing ones. 6. The 2026 roadmap. To get rich by 2026, you can't just try harder, you have to move smarter. The roadmap to success in this new economy is about building a system that scales while keeping your foundation bulletproof. Here is your 3-step execution plan for the year ahead. Phase 1. The foundation months 1-3. Audit your burn rate. Use AI-powered finance apps to categorize every dollar. Identify the leakage subscriptions you don't use and status purchases that don't serve your future. Build the Freedom Fund. Secure 3-6 months of essential expenses in a high-yield account. This isn't just for emergencies. It's your risk capital that allows you to say yes to unconventional opportunities without fear. Kill high-interest debt. Aggressively eliminate any debt over 7%. You cannot build wealth while paying for someone else's. Phase 2. Asset accumulation months 4-8. Automate your equity. Set up recurring investments into asymmetric buckets. This includes low-cost index funds for stability, but also fractional real estate or tech infrastructure. ETFs to capture the AI supercycle. Launch a digital twin. Start one side asset that doesn't require your physical presence. Whether it's an automated newsletter, a niche AI tool, or a YouTube channel, begin building an audience or a product that works 24/7. Phase 3. The scale up months 9-12. Leverage AI agents. Once your side asset shows signs of life, don't hire people deploy code. Use AI agents to handle the grunt work of marketing, SEO, and admin so you can stay in your zone of genius. The reinvestment loop. Take the first $1,000 of profit from your new venture and reinvest it entirely back into growth or high yield assets